So hey everyone, welcome back to another quick and very interesting tutorial. Where in this quick tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can put your images or logos or anything on a watch realistically. For example, if you are listing your product or doing something related to that, you can do it automatically. You don't need some professional skills for that. Now, in order to do it, just simply open canva.com, create a new basic design, and this is Canva free actually. Now, in order to do that, just simply click on this app section right there, and then under here, you need to search for mockup 3D. Once you search it, you'll see this relevant application. Open this first application that appear right in front of you. Now here under of this one, you need to select the watch model for you. When you scroll down, you can easily find it right here, or just simply click on more again, and you'll see more of the models that you can all use all of them for free. Now here you can see the Apple Watch. Now you can add your design. All you need to do is to just simply drag and drop your image over this, and this is a 3D mockup basically, so you can use this to place your image just on the screen of the watch only. Alright, so that's it for this tutorial. I hope this video will be helpful for you. Make sure to hit the like button and subscribe button for more such helpful and interesting tutorials. See you in the next one. Take care.